Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve question number 2 of exercise 2.3 and the first part. In this question we have to check whether the first polynomial is the factor of this second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. So let's suppose it as you have to check whether 2 is a factor of 6 or not. So obviously you must check that 6 is divided by 2, and if the remainder here it is 0 because this is cancelled 3 times, so the remainder is 0. So obviously 2 is a factor of 6. Similarly, you have to check whether this is a factor of this. For that you have to divide this polynomial by this polynomial and check whether the remainder is 0 or not. If the remainder is 0, so obviously this is a factor for this polynomial. So let's divide it. This is t square minus 3 and here it is 2t raised to power 4 plus 3t raised to power 3, 2t raised to power minus 90 minus 12. Okay, you have to make it 2t raised to power 4. For that, you have to multiply t square with something. So let's suppose we multiply it with t square, because 2 is multiplied by 1 is 2 and t square is multiplied by t square is t raised to power 4. After that, you have to multiply this with this also. So this will make 2t square into 3 as minus 6t square. So that should be written below the t square so that we can easily solve it. After that you have to subtract. For subtracting you have to change the sign and you have to cancel these. And this can be copied as it is because there is nothing to solve with, and this negative positive will become negative, means plus minus is minus. So 6 minus 2 is 4t square and the sign will be of positive because the greater value has positive sign. After that you can copy the rest. So let's copy 90 minus 90. Again you have to make it 3. So sorry, this is 3t cube and you have to make it 3t cube, and for that you have to multiply t with 3 and there is already 2t, so only I have to multiply it with 1t, so that t square multiplied by t is t cube. After that this is multiplied by this will give minus 9t, and after that you have to subtract. For that this is negative, this is positive, positive negative cancelled out, positive negative cancelled out, so only 4t square. This is 4. This is t. 4t square remain and here 12 is remain, so that can be copied here. After that you have to make it 4t square. For that you have to multiply t square with 4, because 4 multiplied by t is 4t square and you have to multiply 4 with 3. So 4 minus 3 is 12 minus 12. So subtracting these, this is negative, this is positive, so this whole is cancelled out. So the remainder is 0. Because this is completely dividing this polynomial, so this should be the factor of this polynomial. So this is how you can solve these kind of questions. Thank you.